Hi, I'm Dr. Shahrzad Jalali, clinical psychologist, and today I want to talk about what if your overthinking, your people pleasing, your anger responses, and even your fear of abandonment aren't really your personality flaws, but survival skills you learned at 7. Yes, 7. Most adults are reacting to today with a nervous system trained in yesterday. And until we recognize that, we shame ourselves for coping mechanisms that once actually kept us safe. Through the lens of attachment theory, our earliest relationships teach us: am I safe? Am I too much for others? Do people usually stay? Is love in my life consistent? And if love was actually unpredictable, you may now overanalyze your text messages, fear emotional distance, cling or withdraw in relationships. None of these are your personality flaws, but they happen because your nervous system learned that connection isn't guaranteed. The inner child isn't a trend, it's a trauma blueprint that we all carry. It represents the emotional parts of us that froze at that age when we felt overwhelmed. That's why rejection can feel catastrophic as an adult. Conflict can feel very unsafe, and criticism can feel shattering. You're not reacting as a 35-year-old, you're reacting as the child who once felt powerless. Many traits we call personality are actually our trauma responses. For example, fight is anger and defensiveness. Flight is overworking and overthinking. Freeze is shutdown and avoidance. And fawn is people pleasing. These aren't our character flaws, they are our protection strategies. But survival strategies become self-sabotaging when they're no longer necessary. Healing doesn't start with blame, it starts with noticing. Now, instead of why am I like this, try when did I first learn this was necessary? That question shifts you from shame to curiosity. And curiosity is where healing begins because it's a very healthy state of mind. The child you left behind isn't trying to ruin your life today. They're trying to protect you the only way they know how. Healing is not erasing that child. It's finally becoming the safe adult they needed back then. What survival response do you recognize in yourself? Fight, flight, freeze, or fawn? Comment below.